This is like months later from when I filmed this, so I just got around to editing it. Hey guys, it's Brittany Mai and welcome back to my channel. The only thing that's changed about since you've last seen me on this channel is the fact that my skin is worse. Yeah. So I'm wearing a shirt that I kind of just randomly found in my closet and I have no idea whose shirt it is, but you know, it's gonna be my hair dyeing shirt from now on, so. I look so dumb right now. The last time I lightened my own hair, it was terrible. It was a mistake. If I'm being very honest with y'all, I honestly don't know how to section my hair. I can't tell what it looks like in the back until I see this video. But the lightener thing definitely worked. I'm gonna start my roots now. So excuse all messiness in my room, but my hair finally dried. It air dried, by the way. I can't tell if I like it or not. Like, do I like it? Do I miss my black hair? I don't know. But tomorrow I think we're gonna do like touch-ups where we missed, and tone the next day maybe instead. So on Tuesday. So, bro, I'm kind of, I can't tell if I like this and I really can't, like. Okay, so today we'll be doing a touch-up and toning. I don't know why I sound like this, sorry. I look so weird. I will not get over this. We're gonna do toner this time, and my hair is kind of damp. The bleach definitely fixed my roots a little bit, so that's good. There's still some spots, but like, oh well. And I'm gonna be using half and half of each of these. It's gonna be, well, a T14 and T18. I'm gonna be using the same toning developer. Just gonna mix it. It's a very watery looking mixture right now. I'm doing it myself, so oh my god, I'm basically out of developer. Basically. Okay, this shouldn't be too difficult. I'll just part my hair. And yeah, I need a hair tie. Should I use gloves? Nah. I should probably wear gloves on this hand at least. just finished applying everything. I honestly don't know how well I did, but I'll see you in 30 minutes. So it's been on for 30 minutes and I think I can wash out. I feel like there's still orange in it. I'm scared. It's okay. But I'm gonna wash it out with purple shampoo. I'm gonna wash it out with this. So this is so weird for me, so I'm sorry. But there's still some brown. And I'll fix that. But other than that, I'm blonde. I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. Like, is this a look? It's not a look. It is not a look. Oh heck no. The more I look at my hair, the more I hate it. I miss my brown hair already. If I'm being very honest, I hate the blonde. I don't know. If I'm being very honest, I just really hate the blonde. Like, I'm not used to this. No. I should probably tone it again, huh? Honestly, I wouldn't mind toning this again. But I'm very scared of killing my hair. I don't know what to do. I'm kind of getting used to it.